new star here. Say, are you ready to stop? I said, stop.
Wait a minute!
I think I'm going to bet myself.
Steady. What's going on here?
Well,
Yes. We were invited by Princess Atta as a surprise for your arrival.
Squish him.
Ja mam prawo tu lawika, bryski, kiewa, Wojtowicz. Wojtowicza, prawe, Pyskobycki, też kochaj, Paska, Polka. To swój,
Now that's funny. I guess we could use a little entertainment. Looks like you did something right for once, Princess.
On with the show!
The circus, I love the circus. Baba, all gone. Baby wants pie.
Pie? Yes, Fort. Should I give it to him?
Yeah! Get pie! Get pie! Yeah!
Thank you, gentlemen. Always an intellectual treat. Say, how many roaches does it take to screw in a light bulb? Can't tell. As soon as the light goes on, they scatter.
Almost there.
From the most mysterious regions of uncharted Asia, I give
Come on,
you
girls, quick, let's get inside.
cabinet of metamorphosis. Utilizing psychic vibrations, I shall select the perfect volunteer.
Oh, pick me! Oh, no! Come on! I'm asking you with my brain.
Aha! Why, your majesty.
me?
No, Thumper, down. Let her go. Maybe you'll saw her in half.
As you ascend the dung beetle to the unknown, put your trust in the mysteries that are beyond mere mortal comprehension.
Ooh, this is gonna be good. Blueberries ready?
Ready?
I call upon the ancient Szechuan spirits to inhabit the body of all volunteers.
No, just stay in there, Your Majesty.
Transformation. Transformation. Transformation.
Wow, man, he's getting good.
Not now.
If it rains, that bird will get ripped to shreds.
Quiet.
And now, Insectus, transform it us.
Ready.
Thank you.
That's the signal. That's the signal.
This is it, girls. Get ready to roll.
It's stuck.
That was amazing. How did they do that? I have no idea where she went.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait! Where is she? No,
I'm sorry. A magician never reveals his secrets.
That's very true, Hoppy. I mean, where would the mystery be if we all knew how it was?
Shut up.
You can do it. You've got to make it work.
Hey,